If you want to connect Epic Games with GOG, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to link both platforms so your Epic library can appear inside GOG Galaxy. This is a great setup if you like keeping all your games in one place, managing your library more easily, and seeing everything from one launcher. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. If you already have it installed, launch it like any other app. Once it opens, sign into your GOG.com account. If you're not signed in yet, enter your email and password and complete the login process. You need to be signed into GOG Galaxy before you can connect any other platform. Now that you're inside GOG Galaxy, look for the settings icon. This is usually the gear icon in the upper area of the app. Click it to open the settings menu. From there, you want to find the option that says Add Games and Friends, and then choose Connect Platforms. This section is where GOG Galaxy lets you connect external game stores and launchers. Once you're on the Connections page, scroll through the list until you find Epic Games Launcher. When you see it, click Connect. At this point, a login window will open for Epic Games. This is completely normal because GOG needs permission to access your Epic account and pull in your library details. Next, sign into your Epic Games account. Enter your Epic email and password carefully, then click Sign In. If Epic asks you to allow permissions, go ahead and approve them. These permissions are what allow GOG Galaxy to sync your Epic library, display your games, and keep everything updated. After you approve the connection, GOG Galaxy will begin syncing your games. Depending on how many games you have in Epic, this may take a few moments. Be patient and let the sync finish. You may see progress indicators while GOG checks your account and imports your library information. When the syncing is done, go to your library inside GOG Galaxy. This is where you should now see your Epic Games titles appear alongside your other games. If everything worked correctly, your Epic Games will be listed there and ready to launch or manage from GOG. If you don't see your games immediately, give it a little more time and refresh the library. In some cases, the sync may take a bit longer the first time. Also make sure you connected the correct Epic account, especially if you use more than one login, and that's it. You've now connected Epic Games with GOG Galaxy successfully. Now you can keep your game library organized in one place and make browsing much easier. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides, tutorials, and app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.